See if I can clean this up a little bit more inside here. Really not much to clean up, I don't think. Clean up this lip a little bit here where it has some residue, and I haven't been able to get much of it off. Yeah, this is doing a good job. Make a nice little smooth edge for the gasket to fit down on. It's kind of a large O-ring that we want to put on here. I don't know if you can see it. I was kind of cleaning it up here now, so that's good. Make sure it's all even all the way around. The trick in doing all these machines is you do the least amount of removal that you can. You don't go aggressive. Okay? You don't want to be aggressive at all, because then if you take off too much, you're just screwed. So that's why there's this very fine file. And then, okay, so it's starting to look decent now. I did put it on the grinder a little bit on my wire wheel. I've got a wire wheel on my grinder, on the threads to kind of clean them up a little bit. And I think the last thing, no, I don't think I'm going to be able to do it, but I'd like to be able to clean up the inside where that, because there's some rubber residue in here. It's inside this area right here. Let me see if I can show you. It's inside this area here where the O-ring was. This is taking it off. So I'm going to make a nice seal there. Where the O-ring goes on. And then just clean this up just one more time. It's good. I like the looks of that. So that's really coming pretty clean. So the next thing to do is to try to take a file, like I said, least aggressive file as I can, and try to take off a little bit. There's this edge, right. Yeah, let me see if I can move this down a bit more. There's this edge. I'm not left-handed. I should have a camera on the other side. There's this little edge right here. Actually, it's not. You have to go a little bit more aggressive. And I'm going to use it on the right hand. There we go. I put this on a wire wheel before. I didn't like it because it ended up destroying quite a bit, taking off more than I wanted. So I thought I'd try a hand file on this one instead. This is not an uncommon problem. And you don't want to put a wire wheel on this because it discolors the bakelite. So, and you can't ever really get it back. So you don't want to polish it because the polish goes inside and it turns the plastic red. and that's not good. So took this edge off a little bit. I'd like to be able just to kind of spin it and take an even amount all the way around. And it's just to get that edge off so it's not sharp. That helped a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. This area right here where I'm really concerned about this point. Okay. And now it's got a little sharper edge on it. I'd like to take a little bit of this edge off of here if I can too. Just so that it doesn't, no one gets cut. It doesn't hold dirt. It's not perfect, but it's better than what it was. Hey. Well, actually I like the way that looks. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'll show you in just a second here. Clean up the brass where I was touching it. Okay, so what I tried to do is to take this edge off here. It's not 100% perfect, but it's better than what it was. Let's use a smaller file. Spent more time on this thing than I had to, well, on so many other things that we've done. Nothing's been easy on this machine. But it's better. I'll take that. I'm not going to be able to do much on this one edge right here, or there's an extra part broken off. Really can't do anything with it. But maybe I can, with this fine file, get a nice little edge all the way around. And here it comes. Well, Scotch-Brite. Clean it up. Take off the mess that's left. One more white Scotch-Brite to shine it up. Good. Okay, so this has got dirt on here. Shine it up. See if I can get off this little edge. There's a little edge of dirt or something down here. See if the Scotch-Brite will take it. It's not going to be seen because it's underneath the knob, but it does clean it up. Do I dare? I don't think it's going to come off. It's nothing that's going to come off. Someone could take a knife or anything to it. Just clean it. So the white is the final kind of a buffer. So there's what the knob looks like. I think we'll take that. We'll take that one the way it is. You don't want to go too much. And it does have patina, so that's good. That's kind of what this thing was. Maybe use a little bit more red down in the side of here. See if there's anything else more that I can get out. Yeah, just a little bit more. And then we don't need to lube this up because we want to seal here. And this just goes down over the top. And that's the way it's supposed to look. See how round it is here? It's just over. And then that'll get compressed over time, but needs to be changed obviously also.